We will solve the equation sine of 3 theta over sine theta equals 11 over 25, and then find tangent of theta over 2. We will go step by step and not skip any steps. First, write the given equation clearly. Step 1. Use the triple angle identity for sine. Sine of 3 theta equals 3 sine theta minus 4 times sine cubed theta. Substitute this into the given fraction. Step 2. We divide term by sine theta, assuming sine theta is not 0. Otherwise, the original left side is undefined. This simplifies to 3 minus 4 sine squared theta equals 11 over 25. Step 3. Isolate sine squared theta. Negative 4 sine squared theta equals 11 over 25 minus 3. Convert 3 to 75 over 25 and subtract. We get negative 4 sine squared theta equals negative 64 over 25. Divide both sides by negative 4 to get sine squared theta equals 64 over 100, which reduces to 16 over 25. Quick check. Using cosine double angle, cosine of 2 theta equals 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, which becomes 1 minus 32 over 25 equals negative 7 over 25. From sine squared theta equals 16 over 25, cosine squared theta equals 9 over 25, so cosine theta equals plus or minus 3 over 5. Step 4. Half angle. Use tangent squared of theta over 2 equals 1 minus cosine theta over 1 plus cosine theta. If we take the acute case with cosine theta equal to 3 over 5, then tangent squared of theta over 2 equals 1 minus 3/5 over 1 plus 3/5, which simplifies to 1/4. Taking square roots gives tangent of theta over 2 equals 1/2. For completeness, a brief branch note. Because cosine theta could also be negative 3 over 5, the same formula would give tangent squared of theta over 2 equals 4, hence tangent of theta over 2 equals 2 in that case. Most contest problems intend an acute theta, so we report 1/2. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on muyversemaths.